Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another video from the beautiful west coast here in Sweden. Today I'm going to be talking about the Overseas 40. This is possibly my dream long distance sailboat out there. It's built in Lysekil, where I come from, right here on the west coast. And this boat is just amazing in so many ways. It's 40 feet, it's big, it's heavy, it's sturdy, it has a long fin keel, it has a big nice rudder protected partly by a skeg, and this boat is built for long distance sailing, purely for crossing big oceans, going to the higher latitudes, doing all that kind of sailing, which I am very fascinated by. Inside on the boat, it's just beautiful woodwork all over the place. Everything is perfectly built. You got this big steering house kind of where you can sit inside, have a 360 view all around. The cockpit is also really high up, kind of big, but really well sorted out as well. You got quite a few bunks in the boat as well for being a 40 feet boat, which I like, so you can bring some crew, you can be quite a big family inside the boat, and you got more or less everything that you need in one package. Not too big of a boat, not too small a boat, just a really nice boat to go long distance sailing with. Of course this boat is way more expensive than the boats I've been tipping you guys about before, but it's if you got the money, if you got $200,000 plus, then go for a boat like this because you won't regret it. It's heavy, it's well built, and it's just a perfect long distance sailboat in so many ways. There's more or less no limits to a boat like this. A really nice companion when you're out sailing. You can just dream away and go sailing wherever you want with a boat like this, more or less. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well, and I will see all you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.